The common-law wife of the man charged in connection with the contract-style killing of a paralegal last month says her partner is being wrongfully accused. The woman is now seeking justice. Sandy Williams has details.
This is Corina Clark. At 6 months pregnant and with a 1-year-old child, she's desperate for the release of her common-law husband. The man, 30-year-old Ojo Russell, otherwise called Jerry Stunts, was arrested and charged for the murder of 63-year-old paralegal Sandra Risden on January 18. But Ms. Clark says he is innocent.
At the time of the shooting, 7 in the morning, my baby father was at home with me. We don't even know about that until I figured out that's what he's been arrested for. Somebody can leave the house after 10 in the morning and you say it's them. No, that don't make no sense. He wasn't there during that time, he was at home with me.
Mr. Russell was picked up on Australia Road in the vicinity of 3 miles. Ms. Clark claims he was on his way to work.
Them even searched the house, my house and the neighbor's house, and don't find anything. Nothing they don't find. So where is all of these lies coming from? Why are you trying to sink someone that is innocent?
She accused the police of not providing her with any information pertaining to Mr. Russell's arrest. After visiting 2 police stations, she was later directed to the Constant Spring police station.
They said to me, "Why are you here?" I said, "I'm here on behalf of Ojo Russell. He's my baby father." They said, "Well, he's going to stay here overnight. You bring anything for him?" I said, "No, I did not bring anything for him." "So you can give me any information on what's going on?" The person that came to me, he looked like he worked at the CIB section. He said, "I cannot give you any information. Just bring clothes for him. He's here on a murder case." So I say, "You can't tell me how is this and why?" "No, I can't give you any information."
She explains that since Mr. Russell's arrest, things have been difficult for the family, especially their infant.
He's the breadwinner for my family. And his son, the first week, his son don't sleep. Him get up in the nights crying for him father because him don't see him father for a whole month. The second week, his son don't eat. The first week, his son don't sleep, and the second week, his son don't sleep. So it's affecting us majorly. We have debts that we have to pay because I don't work, I cannot work. He's the breadwinner of the family. He's the only person that works. And all this running up and down and excessive money, it is not necessary.
Mr. Russell's first court appearance was scheduled for Tuesday, February 13. However, TVJ News has learned the matter has been rescheduled for Friday, February 16. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.